Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. The Reds, as I call them. The powerhouse of the fruits and vegetables, guys. Why? Because of the wide range of antioxidants that these guys hold just for you. The raspberries, the watermelon, the strawberries, the grapes, and the peppers, and the tomatoes. My goodness gracious. What are we going to do? What kind of vitamins and minerals do they have for you? Step aside. Let's get it. Okay, so this is what I'm working with today. Let me go ahead and give you a nice close-up of what's going on. I'm going to break this down for you a little bit better. In general, we have the watermelon, hydration, muscle soreness, antioxidants. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. Then we have the grapes. Good for your brain, the skin, the immune system, the cardiovascular support, antioxidants. Wow. The raspberries, we have the fiber, the detox, the gut friendly, you name it. These bad boys are powerhouses in my eyes. Then we have the strawberries, okay? Decreases inflammation, does the eyes, it does so much, including your brain, etc., etc., etc. Then we have the red peppers. These guys right here are the powerhouses of vitamin C. Plain and simple. It has the B vitamins, the 1, 2s, the 3s, the 6s, and the 9s, and the 5s. Wow. Then, the dates. Look at these guys right here. Good for your eyesight, gives you energy, good for your vision, hair follicles, beautiful. Absolutely love that. Then we have the ginger. The vitamins, the nutrients, and minerals is just crazy in this little piece right here. It includes fiber, digestion, decreases joint pain, you name it, I'll take that. Then we have the tomatoes, guys. Improves vision, lowers blood sugar levels, nice. So this right here, this is not bad of a powerhouse snack for you. So again, thank you for watching. My name is Joseph. Be well, be yourself, and by all means, be safe, guys. I'll talk to you later.